Welcome to this week's edition of Neuroscience Updates, covering the latest breakthroughs. Brought to you by LucidQuest. Plus, Therapeutics has provided a business update and announced an FDA agreement for their CNSide and REYOBIQ trials. Plus, Therapeutics plans to launch its CNSide diagnostic platform in late 2025, starting with Texas. The CNSide CSF assay platform has an impressive 92% sensitivity and 95% specificity for diagnosing CNS metastases, with a market opportunity worth $6 billion. The company has also received FDA approval for the ReSPECT-LM trial, a dose optimization study for REYOBIQ in leptomeningeal metastases. This trial will evaluate multiple dose regimens to optimize treatment for CNS metastases, funded by the Cancer Prevention and Research Institute of Texas. Next, the Multiple Sclerosis Association of America has launched a new initiative to support MS patients with free educational videos. These resources aim to help the MS community manage symptoms, address health equity issues, and more. Available on demand, the video library is optimized for both mobile and desktop devices, offering easy access for those in need of crucial information. argenx has advanced its argx-119 program for congenital myasthenic syndromes after demonstrating promising results in Phase 1b studies. This treatment showed significant improvements in multiple efficacy measures for patients with DOK7-CMS, paving the way for registrational trials. Precision Biosciences has received the FDA's Rare Pediatric Disease designation for its gene editing therapy, PBGene-DMD, for Duchenne muscular dystrophy. The therapy utilizes the ARCUS gene editing platform to restore functional dystrophin protein, which could significantly improve the quality of life for DMD patients. In other exciting news, Sinugene SNUG-01, a first-in-class gene therapy for ALS, has received FDA orphan drug designation. This therapy targets TRIM72 for neuroprotection, and Phase 1-2 trials are set to begin in both the U.S. and China. Clotho Neurosciences is advancing its KLTO-202 gene therapy for ALS. This treatment aims to amplify neuroprotective proteins and has shown promising preclinical results. Clinical trials are expected to begin in 2026. In Japan, riliprubart has been granted orphan drug designation for its monoclonal antibody treatment for CIDP. The therapy is currently in Phase 3 trials for patients who have not responded to standard treatments. SynLab has achieved a significant milestone in early Parkinson's disease detection with its participation in the EU-funded Vampire Project. The first patient has been enrolled in the clinical trial, which is focused on developing a diagnostic test for Parkinson's disease based on novel biomarkers. The project has received €8 million in EU funding. Finally, Cline has provided an update on its FDA meetings regarding ALS and MS development. The company received valuable feedback on its neurofilament biomarker analysis plan for ALS and confirmed 2 additional meetings with the FDA. Cline aims to submit a new drug application for ALS under the accelerated approval pathway by the end of 2025. Stay ahead in neuroscience research. Like, share, and subscribe for weekly updates. Visit lqventures.com or email us at info@lqventures.com for expert healthcare consulting. See you next time.